Hey there, amazing viewers. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some incredible health and household hacks that are guaranteed to make your daily life easier and healthier. Whether you're looking for clever cleaning solutions or ways to enhance your well-being, we've got you covered. So, grab a cozy seat, hit that like button, and let's dive into 7 health and household hacks you need to know. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching this video. Those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hurry subscribe here and don't forget to click the bell button. Number 1. Lemon-infused ice cubes. Our first hack is a game changer for your drinks, lemon-infused ice cubes. These aren't just ordinary ice cubes, they're like a burst of sunshine in your glass. You might be wondering, why bother with lemon-infused ice cubes? Well, beyond the cooling effect, they add a delightful citrusy flavor to your beverages, making them extra refreshing. Creating them is a breeze. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice, pour it into your ice cube tray, and let it freeze. Drop these cubes into your water, tea, or any drink for a zesty upgrade. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference. Number 2. Vinegar for cleaning. Now, let's shift gears to household cleanliness with a magical ingredient, vinegar. Why vinegar? Well, it's a versatile natural cleaner that can tackle various household tasks without resorting to harsh chemicals. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle, and you've got yourself an effective all-purpose cleaner. It works wonders on surfaces like countertops, glass, and even cutting boards. Say goodbye to chemical residues and hello to a sparkling, eco-friendly home. Number 3. DIY fruit fly trap. Ever been bothered by those tiny, persistent fruit flies? Say no more, we've got a simple yet effective solution. Why a DIY trap? Because it's not only environmentally friendly but also budget friendly, and it gets the job done. Grab a small bowl, add some apple cider vinegar, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke a few holes. The fruit flies are drawn to the scent, enter the trap, and, well, let's just say problem solved. Number 4. Baking soda carpet freshener. Let's talk about a hack that not only cleans but also leaves your living space smelling heavenly, baking soda carpet freshener. Why baking soda? It's a natural deodorizer that can neutralize odors without the need for any harsh or artificial fragrances. Simply sprinkle baking soda liberally on your carpets, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then vacuum it up. Your carpets will not only be cleaner but also carry a subtle, pleasant aroma. Number 5. Epsom salt bath soak. Taking care of our well-being is crucial, and our next hack is all about promoting relaxation, the Epsom salt bath soak. Why Epsom salt? It's loaded with magnesium, a mineral known for promoting muscle relaxation and reducing stress. Add a cup of Epsom salt to your bath, soak for a blissful 20 minutes, and let the stress of the day melt away. It's a simple yet effective way to treat yourself to some much-needed self-care. Number 6. Clothespin chopstick holder. Now, let's move on to a hack that combines 2 everyday items for a surprisingly useful purpose, the clothespin chopstick holder. Why a clothespin chopstick holder? It's a practical solution to keep your chopsticks off the table and easily accessible. Attach a clothespin to the edge of your plate, and voila! Your chopsticks have a secure and clean spot. No more wondering where to place those chopsticks during your meal, problem solved. Number 7. Hydrogen peroxide stain remover. Last but certainly not least, we have a stain-removing hack that's both potent and pocket-friendly, the hydrogen peroxide stain remover. Why hydrogen peroxide? It's a mild bleach alternative that works wonders on various stains. Mix hydrogen peroxide with a bit of dish soap, apply it to the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wash as usual. Say goodbye to those stubborn stains without harsh chemicals or expensive stain removers. And there you have it, 7 incredible health and household hacks that can truly make a difference in your day-to-day life. If you found these tips helpful or have some hacks of your own to share, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Connect with us on social media, and remember, a happy and healthy life is just a hack away. Until next time, stay awesome, stay healthy, and keep hacking your way to a better life.